charging your neXA or really any electric vehicle, you don't want to have your charger exposed to the elements. So hot weather, really exposed at all. So if you're charging outside, you want to be underneath something, because this is a very expensive charger, they all are. And if it gets wet, that's not covered under warranty, that's not defective. So you want to keep these dry. There's a fan on this one. Here's the light, it's on. And so even here inside the showroom, and don't let it hang from here, don't pull it from here. Let it sit there. You know, we've got a good extension cord. It's not from the dollar store. You know, it's got a good gauge on it. So you can use extension cords for them. When there's sayings like, what do you plug in first, to the wall or to the car? We've looked at different manufacturers and they'll say the opposite. So one will say, plug it into the bike first, plug it into the wall first. Honestly, I don't think it matters. Sometimes you get a bit of a snap if you've plugged it into the wall or your cord first, but you just want to give it a good snug, see that your red light's on, and just don't leave it for days. These are not trickle chargers. No matter if it's mobility or lithium, these are not trickle chargers. This particular one is a 9 amp. That's a pretty good current going through. Most of them are 3. Anything from Emmo, Tau, they're a 3 amp, so it's slower, which can be thought of as safer. But they are not a trickle charger, so do not just leave this on for days. If you're gonna charge anything, I plug it in before I go to bed, and then leave the store, and then when we come in, we unplug them. Or timers. That's actually the best way. I'm gonna show you my favorite timers, because we have so many of them. Timers, just like this. And I love these ones because the other ones are too complicated for me. And you plug that in and you can just set it to 8 hours. Some of the bigger amp hour, you're gonna need 10 to 12 hours, but at least put it to 8 hours, it shuts off, and then the next time just, you know, put another 2 to 4 hours. These are brilliant. I think they're 2 for like 30 bucks on Amazon. So that's the number one thing, don't overcharge. And yeah, that's how you charge your bikes. If you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.